Welcome to Asim Code. Support me and help this channel grow by hitting like and subscribe. I appreciate you. In C programming, a function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Functions allow us to divide a complex problem into smaller, more manageable parts, which makes code easier to understand, reuse, and maintain. You can think of a function like a recipe. It takes some ingredients, called inputs, does something with them, and then gives you a result, called output. Once a function is written, you can use it whenever needed in your program without having to rewrite the same code multiple times. This example is a simple C program that demonstrates how to add two numbers together using a function. Include the standard input-output library for using functions like printf. Function declaration. This tells the compiler that we have a function called that takes two integer parameters and returns an integer. The function definition will appear later in the code. Main function. This is where the execution of the program begins. Declare two integer variables, x and y, and initialize them with values 10 and 5, respectively. These variables will be the inputs for the add function. The values represent the two numbers we want to add. Declare an integer variable result to store the sum of x and y. Result will hold the value returned by the add function. Function call. We call the add function and pass x and y as arguments. The function will add these values and return the result, which will be stored in result. Print the result using printf. The format specifiers %d are used to print the integer values of x, y, and result. This will display the sum in a readable format. Return 0 to indicate successful execution of the program. Function definition for add. This function takes two integer parameters, x and y, adds them together, and returns the sum. Return the sum of x and y to the calling function. This is the core operation of the function, adding the two values. Now run our code. Quick reminder, if you are finding this content helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second, and it really helps me create more awesome coding content for you. Thanks so much for your support. Let's get back to coding.